Hello. I have some very nice headset I bought long ago. It's very good company, and this material was ripping apart on the sides because of the edge, but this took a long time to do it, but still it's gone and I cannot use it anymore. So I was thinking couple of weeks ago, what solution do I have to fix this? And I start looking to buy some good material to replace it, and I found some good thickness, strong, and I already started to fix it. And I was thinking, this is a good topic to make a video. So here we go. What I have done so far is cut a piece of material and using some wire. This is a cover wire. And I have here some space between these two parts, so I can push the wire inside. I don't know if all of stereo headset have, but this had, so it's very nice. And now I want to continue. Here I'm pressing inside, I can show you, stretching the material, too many tools, and pressing the wire inside. This is a little bit of struggling here with two hands to do it, but no problem. If you stay on one job, focus, you will do it. Like this. Very nice. Here's the end of it, and I tried to make a knot or this wire to tie it with the pliers, and after that cut the excess wire and try to squeeze it in place, in that place. See if I can do it. Maybe. I hope so. Okay, done. Let's see if it goes inside. I think it's too thick to go in there. It's not that bad. It doesn't bother me, so maybe I do a better job on the next one. Okay, cutting the excess material as neat as possible. Be careful not to cut the wire here, just take it backwards and maybe start from there. So we are finished with that danger zone. It's very tight in here. Just get rid of the excess and do a finishing job after. So very tight space, very tight place, and we have one finish. Okay, let's go to the next one. So I can show you the process from the beginning. Placing the material over, stretch it a little bit. And then, starting with this wire, place it somewhere along where you have a grip and try to squeeze it in. It doesn't want to play along, but we will make it. Expect some pushbacks from the here it's a success rate. If you manage to do a little bit, the other one is just coming very easy. Beginning, it's the hardest. In the beginning. Very nice. So this is the way I fix my headset, stereo headset. Consumerism says go buy a new one. But why? This is very good. I spent a lot of money on this one some years ago and they work very good. Just the material was disappearing from the wearing. Wears out. It's normal to wear out this material. And it's very easy to replace it. Like you have it on earplugs, stereo devices. You have spares for this ear, that plastic or latex or what is it. Why not have a spare one here as well? It's a waste of money to buy a new one. You spend maybe 20 minutes fixing it, fixing, and you have it again. Very good quality headset. And I spent like $1 on this much of material. Maybe you find a cheaper one, not even, maybe $0.50 on this material, and the tools I had it anyway. this wire I had it around, so it cost me 50 cents to fix it, and 20 minutes out of my time. That new headset cost maybe around $20 when I bought it, so very good quality, and I want them back. That's it, folks. Very easy, very nice. And here's the final result. If this bothers you, you can take a lighter and melt down excess, but it doesn't bother me. It can stay like this. Maybe I take it again with scissors and take all the rough edges out. But this is as good as I want it. It's top. I have brand new or not new but good quality headset. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if you like it, or have any suggestion, make a comment, leave a message. Bye.